Everything all right? Today we're talking about Doggo to the Moon crypto trading at 0.0037 per dollar. I'll explain why Doggo to the Moon has strong potential for growth. You've got a chance to buy this crypto now. It's not even costing a penny per dollar. Imagine it hitting 5, 10, 50 cents or even $1 in the future. I'll show you the potential profits if you invest in this crypto. But remember, always do your own research. So if you're investing in this crypto, this video is crucial for you. As the first meme coin on Bitcoin's blockchain, Doggo could explode in value, folks. If you're new here, hit subscribe, smash that like button, and show some love for the channel. Let's check out Doggo to the Moon, currently priced at about 0.003779. Imagine buying at 0.003779 and seeing it rise to $1 per coin. Buy at 0.0037 now, potentially sell at $1 later. So if you invest 500 Reais in this crypto and it appreciates by 26,362%, you transform that into, let me double check, 500 Reais plus 26,362%, which is 131,810 Reais, just by investing 500 Reais if this crypto hits $1. So if you invest in this order from 5 grand now, plus 26,362%, you'd already be a millionaire. 1.3 million Reais. If Doggo to the Moon goes from its current price to $1 per unit, with 5k Reais, you'd be a millionaire. Let's see how many coins you get for that amount. So we're putting in 5k Reais to see how much we'd need to invest to hit our first million if Dog reaches $1. Then we'll look at whether it's possible or feasible for Dog to hit that $1 mark. So it comes out to about $903 on average. I'll round that up to $905. Simple math. $905 divided by the current value of 0.003772. With $905, about 5,000 Reais, you could buy around 239,925 Doggo to the Moon cryptocurrencies. So this is the magic number to reach your first million with the Doggo to the Moon cryptocurrency. Starting from 235,000 cryptocurrencies, actually from 235,000 dog coins, considering that valuation we mentioned of 1.318 million, but we're considering here something around 235,000 Dog to the Moon coins. From this point, you'd be a millionaire if it reached $1. So leave in the comments how many dog coins you have in your wallet. There are investors who have much more than this. Some already have millions of dog coins, so they obviously don't need such a high valuation to reach the $1 mark. We're talking about a staggering valuation of 26,362%. It's insane in the crypto market, but it happens, folks. If we look at Crypto Bubble's top 100, check this out. Bonk is up over 10,000%. Pepe's at 1,374%. Considering these gains, Pepe has already dropped several zeros. It's grown way more than that. If we check coin market cap just in the last year, some cryptos have risen almost 11,000%. In the 101 to 200 range, we see cryptos appreciating, wow, 8,800%. Many cryptocurrencies are delivering big, strong valuations. So Dog has potential to reach a strong valuation, as I mentioned. Those with millions in crypto don't need it to hit $1 to profit. The crypto just needs to reach $1 for them to make good money. Is it possible for Dog to reach $1? It would need a massive increase, right? A massive investment. The market would need to be in a bull run with Bitcoin breaking its all-time highs. Talking about Dog cryptocurrency reaching $1, it would need to go from a market cap of $377 million to $100 billion. If we look at Dog Coin, its all-time high, I'll show you over the entire period, Dog Coin currently has a 70 billion market cap at its 88th. But Dog Coin has actually reached almost 90 billion at its 80th, right? At its peak, at its highest point. So it'd be the first meme crypto on the market, right? Looking at cryptos, the top meme coin, Dog Coin, is worth $15 billion, right? But considering the crypto hype, with the total market cap at $2.17 trillion, it should be worth much more. Bitcoin's breaking records with projections of $100K, $500K. Some analysts even predict Bitcoin could reach over $500K per coin. And if we look at this stock to flow chart, which shows Bitcoin's demand and scarcity, it suggests Bitcoin should be worth over $112K today. But we can see that Bitcoin is currently trading at around $62,000. That's the current price. So in a bull run, if dog sees mass adoption, who knows? Anything's possible, right? Of course, it's not easy, right? It requires a very large capital to reach $1 per unit, but even so, being the first meme cryptocurrency built on the Bitcoin network, it has very strong potential for appreciation, which is what I want to show you here, okay? Take a look at this interesting post here. So let's look at the markets, right? Showing dog here with a $300 million market cap within Bitcoin, the crypto with the highest market dominance. Bitcoin here at $1.2 trillion market dominance, and dog with just $300 million now showing, right? Showing here with $300 billion market cap, $300 billion. Look, $300 billion to $1.2 trillion, right? So $300 billion for Ethereum and Shiba Inu built on the Ethereum network with $8.1 billion, and showing dog here with $1.7 billion built within Solana's $70 billion network. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap at $1.2 trillion, is the first coin built on this network, folks. There are other cryptocurrencies now, right? Built within the Bitcoin network. Dog Gold was the first crypto launched on the day of the Bitcoin block preceding Bitcoins. It's a new cryptocurrency with a fresh market narrative that could appreciate greatly, potentially bringing big profits to investors, right? Only time will tell, but look at this chart. Roughly speaking, we can see Dog had its peaks, right? It had its peak regions, then worked downwards, correcting to find bottom regions, seeking areas to balance the average price. It rose, but still hasn't reached the green, hasn't reached its peak regions yet, meaning you have the chance to buy this crypto at a very discounted low price. And if you want to invest in dog, right, you can do partial buys. Say you want to invest $1,000, you can split it into $250 chunks, divide it into 4 entries. Buy at the current price. If the crypto dips more, you can enter with another chunk, another $250, for example. When the crypto starts to rise again, right? You'll start seeing profits, but it's definitely a new trend to watch and a chance to buy at good prices.